How to connect Honeybook to Squarespace. So for this, we will use an intermediate software called Zapier. So just go to zapier.com and I've just logged in with my Google account right here. And basically from the home page, we want to click on Create and then choose the option for Zaps Automated Workflows. Now we will need a trigger and an action here. So for this, the trigger, I'm going to click on it and I'm going to search for Honeybook. Now you will be able to find it, just click on it and we will have to choose an event here. So what actually causes this trigger? So you will see this client created, new inquiry, new payment paid, new project booked, project stage changed. So depending on what you need here, you will select it from this menu. I will do new inquiry and then click on continue. And right here, we will have to connect Honeybook to our, to Zapier here. So just click on sign in and just log in with your Honeybook account right here and find your API key. Now, after you input it here, then what we have to do is add an action as well. So just click on action and search for Squarespace. And you will be able to find it. Just click on Squarespace. And again, we will have to add an event here and we can do custom actions or API request, or we can create an action by clicking on here. Now, after we have done this as well, we will click on continue. And again, we will have to connect our Squarespace account to Zapier here. And basically this will create the action and it will link Honeybook to Squarespace. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.